Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to go over 5 billion sales again because the review I did last time for it was kind of uninformative a little bit, and well, there's a little bit more information that I've actually read about and reviewed now. So now that I have more information, I can provide you with more information. So without further ado, let's get right into this because I want to go ahead and do this quick video. Let me just share my screen with you guys. Alright, there we go. Hopefully you guys can see that. You can hear me okay. Can't really check, so. Okay, the first thing I want to do is go through the privacy policy because I've seen a few posts on Reddit and, you know, the reviews of it saying it's a scam. Okay, well, first of all, the definition of a scam is they're taking your money and not giving you anything in return. That's definitely not what this is about. It's free to sign up, so. Okay, so they go over all of the disclaimer crap that nobody ever wants to watch, listen to, pay attention to, or read. So boring, right? Okay, interpretations, definitions, and you can go through all of this stuff if you want to. The link will be in the description below, and you can go get signed up. I would if I were you. And you can go through all this boring stuff yourself. I'm not going to go through all of it. I'm just letting you know that it is here in your back office if you would actually take the time to, you know, go through it. Anyway, cookies, service provider is explaining data collected, personal data, which you might want to read some of this stuff. A lot of people don't read terms and conditions, but yeah, a lot of people don't even know what they're agreeing to whenever they sign up. Now, cookies are essential when it comes to affiliate marketing. If you do not know this right now, then, well, you're about to find out. Cookies are the way that they track your links. That is how you get paid commissions, because if they can't track that certain link that you shared with someone, like if you shared that link with someone, it's tracked with a cookie so that they know if that person signs up, it's through your link. Security of your personal data. Now they do protect your personal data. They're guaranteed absolute security. I don't know if they could do that, but they are. Anyway, children's privacy, you know, you can't be under the age of 13. Contact us. They give their contact email right there. Failing, so make sure your cookies are available and trackable, and you can do that through the Google settings. I'm sure there's a video on YouTube about it somewhere. The affiliate can earn commissions from their own sales after launch. The affiliate can also earn overrides. Okay, I'm going to get to all that because I covered all this in my last video, which I'm going to put at the top right up here. You'll see a link for it. Now, whenever you first get on this page, you'll be, you know, right here. You can join their Telegram group. You can see your links. You want to, whenever you get onto this page, it should automatically pop up, and it should say affiliate. I don't know, sign up for an affiliate. You want to sign up as an affiliate. Oh, but there's your links and your sponsor now thing. Now the whole sponsor thing, if you want to earn more money, of course, you want to get your link, but you also want to sponsor now. And then you'll come over here and it'll give you the affiliate link right here. Now, and you can't see anything until after launch, but up until this point right now, this has not even been available for us to actually look at. So I wanted to make it a point to let you guys know that you should get people signed up as quick as possible. And you know, it tells you what you have to do, the structure of everything, and you have to build your levels out. It also tells you, you know, you earn $100 per person on commission, and then you also earn, like however many you have. Say that you have 10 people in your downline before the launch, and so that's $1,000. That's a reoccurring $1,000 you get every single year. So if you get 100 people in your downline, that's 10,000, right? Is it 10,000? Yeah, $10,000. Whoa, shit! 100 people, $10,000. So if you get 100 people, that's $10,000 for life every year. And no, wait, that's not all though. Now, because you're joining pre-launch, there is actually a passive income that you can earn as a sponsor. Now, you don't get paid as a sponsor per se, but every user that you have come in and that you're sponsoring, you get $400 to every. Okay, let me just explain it like it has it on the site here. Okay, we're disrupting the market with a totally unique service that monetizes it. 5 billion people can use our services exactly to the same thing they already do. By using our services, we will pay each user a passive income of $400. If you have a family of 10 people, which is 10 users that you introduce to the site, and those 10 people sign up and become a sponsor and sponsor one other person, then you will get $400 for that person. You can see who's totally, after launch you got override A, B, and C. You do have 3 overrides. Let's see, you get their email addresses, so if they're not active, you say inactive, you can send them an email address and tell them to get to work. Start inviting people, right? You have your email scripts here you can use to, market emails. You have a video, an actual video that they use to do marketing. Anyway, yeah, they have that. They have images that you can download. Well, at least I say. Now this is what's amazing. Look, it says right here, this is a secretive pre-launch. We cannot give you lots of details to use in promotion. However, under the marketing link in your back office, you can find a lot of materials. Also see this news release here. Now, affiliates and networkers and distributors should be able to see the opportunity clearly, and it's about building in pre-launch. Serious people will join your network and they will promote it without being pushed. If they do not, then it's a waste of your space and your network. Now this is true. And if someone doesn't want something, don't push them. Don't just push it on and push it. Oh, you gotta chase it out. Because if they take the time to actually look at this, then they'll see the potential for sure. And it'll just happen. But that's the thing, you gotta get in front of people. You gotta get their attention. You gotta drive those sales. No, I mean, it's not a sale here. I'm just kidding. You want serious people in your network anyway. People that are actually going to build a downline, build something for you. Now, anybody in their right mind is going to know automatically that this is MLM material. Okay, well, yeah, it might be MLM, but guess what? People are earning MLM. I mean, people are still earning in MLM today, and it's not that bad of an industry. I've been there. Now, I would prefer affiliate because I don't want to be attached to one company doing one certain thing, but that's just my preference, and it's not because I don't like network marketers or marketing in networks. It's just what I prefer. Now, we're going to go back and get off the subject of me because, well, I might be boring to you guys. But anyway, you want to see how much you can make, right? Right. Well, I don't know. I'm kidding. You can actually earn a lot. Just 100 people get you $10,000 for life every single year. To me, that's incredible. I mean, you mean to tell me I can make $10,000 every year for life, and all I gotta do is get 100 people to sign up to this thing. Now, I'm not saying I can because it's hard to get people to sign up for stuff. They don't pay attention. Nobody pays attention. They got an attention span of a kid, and like 2 minutes into this, y'all probably ain't even watching this right now. Okay, maybe you are. So let me quit messing around. Okay, you can do your sales marketing over here. You got your video, your banners, your links. Let me see what these make links are. I haven't clicked on that. Oh yeah, you can find your QR code. It'll make it a little, scannable. Pretty cool. Your affiliate link could be your affiliate link. You see that? Push play on that video right there. That's pretty cool though. I mean, they tell you about all this stuff, and let me just pause this. I'm going to read this to y'all because even though I did a video on it earlier, I'm still going to explain it to you. Okay, 2 unique revolutionary services. One with multiple streams of income, which is an opportunity of a lifetime. You only get one of these, so you don't want to miss it. We are revolutionizing the internet, removing the power of trillions of dollars from big players that run the web and give it back to every person that uses it. Our first pioneering web service is free. It provides internet users the opportunity to earn $400 to use the internet without doing anything differently. It's the opportunity for 5 billion people to earn a passive income without investing $1. and it's yours to earn $100 commission reoccurring yearly for each user you introduce. Okay, service 2 is a revolutionary service as well, and that offers powerful opportunities to 1 billion website generates 100 times more profit and share it with you as commission. Wow. Okay, so basically you're choosing to either get 1 billion websites to generate 100 times more profit and share. This will be your first commission. Pre-launch gives you the chance to build a powerful network that's ready to deploy and earn commission the minute we launch. Getting in early as pre-launch affiliate today is free. Now, did you hear that? It's free today, which only indicates to me that they're going to start charging for this service. I mean, this service is too good to go on forever for free, right? And they can't afford to do that. And even if they can, they don't want to. Now, you want to build a bigger income by referring other marketers into the level below you. If you don't, someone else will. Don't miss out. Now, your referrals can do the same and get paid overrides from 16 levels deep and unlimited width. Get in early before all the people you know are referred by others. Make this your opportunity. It's going viral, and you will regret it if you don't. Okay, you join for free. Our services are a secret until launch to prevent copycats. Join the pre-launch for free and get a back office to manage your network. Okay, so the override, you get $5 recurring for 16 levels. You get $10 profit off, plus recurring profits shares of $200 to $1,000, and $1 off plus recurring profit shares of $10 to $50. If you refer 2 people to both of your level 1s, those are both on level 1s, and they also refer 16 people, and they refer 16 people and 16 people and 16 people, it's going to add up fairly quickly, and before you know it, you're going to have 130,000 affiliates, and that potential income is $520,000. Can you imagine $520,000 for every year for the rest of your entire life? I mean, I know I can't, and I don't even know if this thing is legit or if this is possible, but it's free. You're not spending a dime. You're only spending your time, and you're not even really doing that. You're recruiting people. You're showing it to people. You're not really recruiting people. You're not going out here and being salesy or pushing people. No. You make a video, you put it on YouTube, or you talk about it normally with your friends. You're a marketer. I'm sure you're a marketer if you're watching this video. If you're on my channel, you're a marketer. You know how to do it, and you know how, to get people to sign up, because it's free. Why wouldn't you just take a chance? You got nothing to lose. Even if this isn't real, even if this is not real, and you get your hopes up, like, that's the only thing that's going to happen is disappointment. Ugh. Like, that doesn't happen all the time anyway. I mean, it doesn't really, it shouldn't, but it does. It's just a fact of life. But all I'm saying is, this is a good opportunity if it is real. And if it is real, then would you want to be the one that misses out? I don't, not with this opportunity, So anyway, they got all kinds of stuff, view by category. You got all your information is right here in your back office. I'm not going to spend too much more time on this. I've already went over probably, I'm on 20 minutes here. See if I can't cut this down to like 12. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and go, and you guys just get signed up and look into your back office. Do yourself that favor. And I'll see you next time. All right, bye-bye, guys.